What is it, Nord friend? I can read. What would you like? Which one? Okay, at this point, I'm pretty much convinced you are goggling my stuff when I'm not paying attention. Well, I guess it's fine. I mean, it is about us, in general at least. I started this journal right after I met you. Do you want me to read it or not? Very well then. Listen, but don't judge. This is as personal as I get with my writing. Since my diaries detail my past, I am writing this journal to record my present. I was enjoying myself in a Whiterun bannered mare when a Nord approached me. He looked a little stupid. Never mind this part. But I guess with what he was wearing, you know what? Let's just skip this passage. It didn't take a long time for my new companion to start asking me personal questions about my private business. I told him all about the time